Peter, have you ever heard of something called graph theory?
Graph theory. I feel like I recognize that name from somewhere, but I really have no idea what it actually is.
I was just reading about it, and it is actually pretty fascinating stuff. Think of it as a fancy way to mathematically map out connections between different things. You basically have points, right, which they officially call nodes or vertices.
Okay, like individual locations on a map.
Exactly, Peter. And then you have these lines that connect those points, which are called edges.
So if the points represent different cities, then the lines would be all the roads connecting them.
You got it. It is essentially a whole branch of discrete mathematics that studies these intricate networks of points and lines.
That makes sense. But what is it actually used for in the real world?
That is seriously the best part. Companies use it for things like figuring out the quickest delivery routes for packages or even understanding how social media connections spread information.
Wait, so when my GPS tells me the fastest way to get to my friend's house.
Precisely. That is graph theory working behind the scenes to help an algorithm find the absolute best path.
Wow, I had no idea that concept was involved in so many useful things around us.
Pretty neat how it all ties together, huh?